there. That was where the other side. Check the other
Nothing
side.
in them.
Actually, there's a neighbor we had birds from in there.
Yeah, just leave them there.
Oh, I see other nests here.
Oh, is that a rat? Oh, just saw a rat's tail run away like.
Yeah, it's probably. Oh, come
Bird
on.
nest heaven in here. Bet the birds love it in here. Maybe they'll become a this year. Spray. Maybe I can film some. So yeah, that's just bird nest heaven there. Let's get some more footage of that. That's a starling nest there.
This is across the
If you put your net, if you come up here,
come up there.
and if you put lean that against it slightly,
The web
Then you
caught onto you. You've got a web on your hat and your hair.
Oh! Can you get it off?
it's off.
Yeah.
I hope their nest is so I can film.
Oh look, this one that looks like that's a fallen down nest.
Those are starling nests. You can tell these are starling nests. You can tell they're by the materials they're using.
Oh, hell, get out of here.
Get out of here. There's a wasp. There's a wasp. There's a wasp.
It's the wasp.
move. God
It's not going to attack you.
Yes, it will.
I hope the birds come back so I can film them.
They will come back.
They better.
No, they will.
They better.
Because every
Yeah, because
spring and summer they come back.
Last time Jack came over.
I remember when we found those poor chicks with ants on them.
Yeah,
That was sad.
And I'll tell you when we found it.
I found the chick at school.
Ooh, look how high I am.
Look how high that tree is.
There's a colony of sparrows there.
And then-
Wow. Last time there used to be
and
this.
this is here.
I wonder if I can film that. Well, I hope we find some nests so I can film them.
Don't be
For my
nest.
outland birds and ants.
I think there's a nest there.
Yeah, there was a nest upstairs.
No, I feel like there was a nest around my aunt. Lost it there.
Oh, yeah. Say what?
Yeah, there used to be a nest of ants.
Well, we've got the perfect conditions for birds.
The
Yeah.
only reason I like winter is because there's no bugs come.
There's probably swallow nests here. Well,
There's a nest up there.
there's definitely swallow nests, I bet you.
What's the swallow nest?
They make their nests out of dirt.
We found one.
That's where we keep all the chicken food. Wanna see the chicken food? Oh, here's
All I know that there's a lot of wasp nests.
What the hell is going on? Oh, come on. That's like a walk. See, those are like little miniature
Oh, we
nests.
got loads of those. Let's just zoom in there. See if there's anything.
No, there's not. Okay. But
Well, look at my camera. There's nothing.
look above us. That's a hornet.
Oh my god!
Oh, there's one in this one. Yeah, that's a queen. Right in there. Get it in focus.